Then yung nag-pack po kayo kahapon, di ba, as Senator Jed Ruiz. Pero ang sinasabi nila, yung ginawa niyo pong motion for dismissal, dapat depensa yung galing sa abogado ni BP Sara.
If you have observed, that is why ayaw pong mag-deliver ng privilege speech na nakasumpa na kami as Senator Judge, di ba? Malaking debate ang kahapon, di ba? Pinipigilan nila ako mag-deliver ng privilege speech. Gusto nila unahin muna. Kasi kung sitting as Senator Judge ka na, matainted na yung pagiging judge mo kung yun ang deliver mo na privilege speech. That is why I insisted. Because that issue can be resolved. Pwede ma-resolve yun without converting into impeachment court. Klaro yun, may mga Supreme Court ruling ko that the Senate can decide as to the issues regarding this impeachment complaint.
Saan para sa inyo po impartial justice pa rin po yung ginawa ninyo? So,
hindi po talaga, mayroong two sides of the coin dito. Mayroong masaya, mayroong hindi. For the Sara at the Duterte group, sabihin yun, that's justice for them. Kung doon naman sa mga yellow, na gustong-gusto talagang ipindown si BP Sara, that's injustice for them. Di ba? Ganyan lang yan. You cannot remove mga political biases because this is a political exercise. Ikaw, may tanong ka ba?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.